Oh my god, I've lost track how many times I've tried to make this video. And I just go off the rails, I tell you. So I'll make this real short. Things are in the planning stage, and there's going to be some big changes. I've worked through some things in the past couple of months, and kind of realized some of the things I've been ignoring. I'm so used to living on a string, you know, and I forgot that I had some options. So I'm putting those options into effect, and I feel a hell of a lot better. The economy, despite what's going on, is going to work out just fine. So anyway, I've got some things behind the scenes being worked on, and hopefully within 2 months or so, those things will work themselves out to a result, and I'll have something to show you. But yeah, the weather's been really nice. Been in the 70s and 80s. Of course, it always does this time of year. Kind of teases you, and then it'll just, the bottom will fall out. We'll have rainstorms, cold, damp weather until after July, when summer actually comes to Washington State for about 3 months. And then poof, we've got 6 months of just shitty, damp, cold, wet weather. That's our winter. And I'm not going to take off and go down south for 6 months in the desert like a bunch of people. I've done that twice. And after a while, it just gets freaking boring. Especially when you're living on a shoestring. You really can't do that much but sit in the freaking desert. And I've got better things I want to do with my life. You know what I mean? Then go down to the desert, drink, eat, party. You know, that's like high school crap. But anyway, how you doing, Spirit? Hi, Spirit. Spirit's down here. Oh, yes, you're a good girl. But, yeah, I got the front yard done. That's all rockery, drought-proof. It'll stay that way for years. And my fence line, cedar, big 8-foot fence line that has fallen apart. The 4x4 is rotted out. The gophers got underneath it, mined it, and the post went, just sunk. So I had that repaired. It's even stronger than it was. And then the backyard, which looked like they had some kind of a mortar war back there with the gophers. That's all been replanted and put back in. And after a week or so, it's finally sprouting back hair. Sort of like a bald man growing hair again. It looks like that. So finally, that's working. It seemed like it was taking weeks. But I was just on pins and needles, waiting to see something happen. Okay, now let's see. Okay, I had to take a break there. I'm back. Let's see here. Yeah, like I said, the front yard's done. It'll be that way for years. And the fence is repaired. It's strong as it was when it was first built. And the backyard has been leveled, fertilized, reinvigorated, and is finally starting to grow back. So that's going to be taking off this next week, growing like crazy. And this time around, I'm not going to be so damn cheap. I'm going to hire a company, the same company that put the lawn in, to take care of it, to mow it, groom it, fertilize it, take care of it through the year. Because this time, I'm sick and tired of putting so much money into things and then ignoring them and having to redo them years later. Because it's just dirt. I've been living on a shoestring so damn much that I forgot I had other alternatives I'd just forgotten about. because I didn't want to use them. And I'm figuring, well, shit, the last thing I want to do is die rich. So I might as well enjoy what I have, spread it out, and make my life easier. So, yeah. Anyway, I think I mentioned previously that I've been doing some things in the background. I still miss Ember. I keep in touch with the new owners. They send me pictures and stuff of how she's doing with her 3 new friends, or dogs, that live with the new owners down in Oregon somewhere. And she's having a better life than she'd ever have up here. She's got acreage, and they're going to take her out and start training her, I believe, for hunting, which is what she was bred for, and is quick as a whip. So she's having the best life possible. And I'm really glad that I found such a good family to hand her off to. But I've had 2 dogs in my life for so many years that it just seems weird having a single dog. And it's not like I don't have the money to provide for 2 dogs. So I've been making some plans and changes in the background. And hopefully those changes will come to fruition, I think is how they say it, in the next 2 months. So if you guys are still watching my channel, still have me check marked, so you'll find out whenever I put a video out, I think you'll be really, really, really happy and excited to see the changes that are coming. So, no more 6-month trips. Frickin' forget that. I've done it twice, and it's a long, long time to be out there in a little itty-bitty RV. I could stretch my legs out and touch both sides inside. I am taking it in to do some necessary repairs to the interior, and also get that Starlink added to the roof of my vehicle. I think after that, and I'm getting new headlights. The headlights I've had in that thing since I bought it must be the originals. I've tried doing that fancy crap, to clean the lens. The thing is so damn old. Even with my headlights on. Other cars nowadays that come up alongside of me, the brand new headlights I got now wipe my lights out. I had to keep checking to see, is this damn thing on? Do I have headlights? Did they burn out? They're just washed out. So I'm sick and tired of that. So I'm getting my new headlights put in and some other necessary things just to bring it up to date with the 2026 era of automotive items. Okay, so, like my map back here, and I've said in my previous videos, if we're doing any traveling, it's going to be in the Pacific Northwest. And I'm not going to let the damn blue communist state gases they got up here in Washington with all their taxes on taxes on taxes on taxes, because the Democrats spend money like water, and they don't tell you where it went. They'll never tell you where it went. They'll just tell you, oh, well, our plans didn't work out, so we need another $5 million for this or that. But they never show you a damn thing. And you never hear from them again once they get your money, So, yeah, I seriously thought about moving to Idaho, but the ignorance and stupidity and robbery of the Democrats in this state haven't pushed me that far yet. But knowing what I could get from my house up here in these ridiculous cities, I could easily move. So, yeah, that's always in the back of my mind. But who knows? Maybe people in this state will finally get their heads out of their asses they buried them in so deep and start voting Republican. You know, common sense. But I'm not holding my breath. Okie dokes. Yeah. Yep. Looking around here. Yeah. Oh well. Okie dokie. Well, let's see. I guess that's it. No sense talking anymore right now. I'll let you people know how I feel. I don't, what do they call it, gaslight, yeah, or fairy tales or any of that bullshit. I talk truth to sense. And I just feel sad for the people that never got an education. They think they did. But a lot of their, what do they call those things? Degrees or certificates, they're about as worthless as a shit paper. About as useful, too. So, I guess that's it. Okay, guys, I'm just going to put this out, see where it lands. And hopefully people with common sense will reply. I've seen some replies lately that are from people I never heard from at all until I said, I quit. I'm giving this up for now. Taking a break. And then people started saying, hey, we miss you. We liked you. I liked your channel. Well, please, don't wait till I'm going to quit to tell me that. Tell me now, you know? We got all these damn idiots out there supporting all these scum buckets on YouTube, these grifters, you know, like a Sunday evangelist on TV, asking for money when they're living high and mighty, $1 million homes, Cadillacs, all this shit. You know, you can't buy your soul, okay? Just get over that. So, anyway, that's it. I'm out for now. Talk to you later. Take care.